Hello dear students, this is the video of class 8th, chapter number 3, charts in Excel 2010. So today I will discuss the following topics. First topic is how to add charts, chart title and axis title. Second, creating grid lines in chart, and third, editing in charts. In the previous class, we have already discussed about introduction to charts in MS Excel, what is a column chart and how to create a column chart in Excel. And you have also learned how to do some changing in the chart. There are many different types of chart. So this topic has already been discussed. Now coming to the first topic, how to add a chart title and axis title. So let us see. As you can see, I have already created this data, and according to this data, I have created this chart. So this chart has been created. I have already created this chart. Now, how you can insert title for this chart? So first select this chart, then click on layout option in the chart tools. This is the chart tools. It has three options: design, layout, and format. So you have to click on layout option. Now you can see here chart title. Okay, and axis title is also here. So first creating a chart title, click on the chart title and you can select any one. Okay, center, overlay, title or above chart. So I'm clicking here. Now chart title has been created here. You can write anything inside it. Suppose I'm writing here mark sheet. This is, you can also write a student's mark sheet. So I've written mark sheet, and you know very well that if you make any change in the data, your chart will also be updated automatically. Suppose I'm making here 94, you can see your data has been changed. Now you have learned how to create a chart title. Now for creating axis title, you can click on the chart, select the chart, and then again click on the layout option. Again you will see axis title. So in this chart you can see this is the horizontal axis in which different subjects are written here, and this is the y-axis on which a scoring is written here. How much marks they have got, it is written on the y-axis. So you can give title to x-axis also and y-axis also. You can click on axis title, click on primary horizontal x-axis, title below axis. You have to click on title below axis. Okay, now you can write any title like subjects. You can click here and change it, subjects. And in the same way, you can create a title to the y-axis. You can click on axis, click on primary vertical axis title. Okay, now click on vertical title. You can write here is numbers or score. Or you can write here marks of different subject. You can write marks. Okay, so in this way you can create chart title, axis title. Okay, chart title and axis title. Now how you can create grid lines? So first you have to select, these are the grid lines. In this chart you can see a grid line has been already created. This horizontal line is a grid line. Now what is the use of grid lines? You can see these grid lines are horizontal or vertical lines in the plot area. Inside your chart, inside the plot area, these are horizontal or vertical lines, and these lines make it easier to identify the value of each data point on the chart. So with the help of grid lines, you can identify the value of each data point. These are the data series. You can easily identify the value with the help of these grid lines. Suppose there is no grid lines present in the chart, so it is very difficult for you to identify your data series. Okay, so it helps, a grid line helps you to easily identify the value of each data point. So let us see how you can create a grid lines. Click on the chart, again click on layout option, and you can see this grid lines. Suppose there is no grid lines, okay, you can click here none. So it is very difficult for you to identify who has got how much marks. Okay, so a grid line helps you to identify the value of each data point. Okay, these grid lines helps you to identify the value of each data point in this chart. So let us create the grid line, select the chart, and then this is your home, insert, page layout. So click on the chart tools option, this layout tab. You have to click on the layout tab. You can see grid lines. You can create a horizontal grid line, major grid lines or minor grid lines according to your requirement. Click on it. You can also create a vertical grid lines. Click on the grid lines, go to primary vertical grid lines and click on major grid lines. Okay, you can see vertical grid lines has also been created. Now next topic, editing of charts. So if we have created the chart, we can change the chart, we can change the type of chart and colors in the chart. So we can change from, suppose I have created this bar chart. So we can change from bar chart to, uh, sorry, this is the column chart. So editing chart means we can change the type of chart. We can change from column chart to bar chart or line chart or any another type of chart. Okay. Now you can see MS Excel allows us to edit the chart, change the chart type or format the chart according to our requirement. We can edit the chart any times after we have created it. So let us see how you can edit the chart. Some points about editing the charts. First, click anywhere on the chart. Second, click on the chart tool contextual tab. You can see. First, you have to select the chart. Click on the chart tool contextual tab. Okay. Now, third point, you have to click on the change chart type button in the type group. Change chart type button. As you can see, this is the change chart type button at the left corner. You can see this button. Click here. A dialog box will open. Okay. Now, in this dialog box, there are different types of chart at the left pane and at the right pane. Its submenus are given here. You can see the chart type dialog box will appear. Select the chart type in the left pane and in the right pane select the chart subtype. Then click OK to change the chart type. So you can see the steps once again. First, you have to select the chart, click on the chart tools, then click on the change chart type. This dialog box will open. Now you can select the types of chart. Suppose you want to convert it into Dognut chart. Okay, so click, or you want to convert it into the line chart. Click here. Now you can select subtype. Okay, this is the subtype of line chart. You can select any one. These are the following line charts. You suppose you have selected this one. Now click on OK. You can see your chart has been changed, but it is very difficult for you to understand. So you can change another type. Suppose you want to change it into Dognut chart. Okay, select the type of its subtitle. Now click on OK. Now the same chart has been converted into Dognut chart. So in this chart, you can easily understand the data. The first circle stands for the first row. which is Mohan marks. Second circle, it is for Sohan marks. Third circle for Amar marks. Fourth circle for Ajay marks, and fifth circle for Vijay marks. And you can see different colors denotes the different colors denotes its different subjects. Okay, different colors denotes its different subjects. So in this way also you can edit your chart. Okay, thank you students. In the next video we will discuss about uh, formatting chart layout and changing the chart layout. Format the chart and changing the chart layout. So thanks for watching this video, children.